The toxins that invade your body can cause damage to various organs. Detoxifying your body helps to restore your kidneys, liver or circulatory system to normal functioning. To this end, learning how to make a ginger and apple detox lemonade is a cheap and healthy alternative to take care of yourself. Why do we accumulate toxins? We are all inclined to accumulate toxins. Excessive consumption of alcohol, coffee, and processed foods affects your cellular functions. Also, polluted air and some medications can cause this. There are several symptoms that indicate that it is time to do a detox. If you feel weak, tired, lazy, or suffer from frequent constipation and respiratory problems, then you're probably due for a detox. If not, these may mark the start of more serious problems. In addition, the body itself can also accumulate toxins caused by emotional issues such as overwork, stress or anxiety, among others. The loss of a loved one, an accident or bad news can generate substances that affect an emotionally fragile body. That's why it's important to live a healthy lifestyle and detox occasionally. Toxins are present in many foods. Toxins are present in countless foods. Some have more than others, but the body can eliminate them. The liver is in charge of this task. This organ assimilates toxins or proteins, also called lipopolysaccharides. Then, it transforms them into non-complex substances which dissolve in water and the body later expels. When the amount of harmful elements exceed the body's capacity, it's fundamental for you to do a detox. It's advisable to do a detox once a year. If you learn to make a ginger and apple detox lemonade, you'll have a great ally in your fight against toxins. Did you know? Signs that your body doesn't eliminate toxins well. How to make a ginger and apple detox lemonade. Cleansing juices are one of the many medical recommendations to deal with the problem of toxins. If you prepare them using fruits and medicinal plants, they're excellent alternatives. Ingredients: 2 large green organic apples, 1 large organic lemon, 1 teaspoon of fresh grated organic ginger, 5 grams, water. Ice preparation. First, wash the apples and the lemon very well. Cut the apple into small pieces, and put them in the blender. Add the lemon juice. Then, add the grated ginger to the mix and blend a little more. Serve it with ice to minimize the spicy flavor of ginger. We recommend that you drink this fresh juice before breakfast to achieve better purifying and detoxifying action. Another way to prepare ginger and apple detox lemonade. Ingredients: 3 small green organic apples, lemon zest, 2 tablespoons fresh grated organic ginger, 30 grams. Preparation: juice the apples in a juicer. In the blender, mix the lemon zest and the fresh ginger with the apple juice. Serve it at room temperature. It's best to drink it on an empty stomach. The qualities of this healing juice. Learning how to make a ginger and apple detox lemonade allows you to benefit from the properties of this healing juice. The role it places in the elimination of toxins from the body is unquestionable. Ginger, a medicinal element. Ginger is considered a medicinal plant. It's used in many countries, where it's become part of natural medicine. As an ingredient, it brings a special flavor to salads and other dishes of traditional cuisine. Vitamin C for your defenses. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which strengthens your defenses and helps prevent colds and the flu. However, the most important thing is that it neutralizes and eliminates toxins in your body. In addition, it is a great detoxifier. Apples, an antioxidant. Apples are rich in quercetin, a flavonoid antioxidant that helps eliminate free radicals. It's one of the most beneficial fruits for the body. The detoxifying powers of ginger and apple detox lemonade is an ideal mixture. It helps the body to naturally detoxify by eliminating accumulated toxins. Also, this juice strengthens your immune system. Discover 8 symptoms of a vitamin C deficiency. Overall, drinking ginger and apple detox lemonade on an empty stomach is an excellent ally to achieve a healthy body. We recommend that you drink it every morning.